Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese.
Hello, my name is Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the auxiliary verb 会, and you will also learn how to negate this word 会. And lastly, you will learn how to respond to someone's "Can you do something?" question.
我们一起打乒乓球吧。你们会打乒乓球吗？
我会。
我不会。
我教你。
Introducing 会 as an auxiliary verb, also known as modal verb or helping verb. An auxiliary verb comes before a main verb in a sentence, and it is there to help build a tone or a mood. It is used to express the capability, possibility, or willingness of a speaker towards doing some actions. In English, it is expressed as can, shall, must, will, etc. For example, 我要吃面包 literally, I won't eat bread. Here, 要 is the auxiliary verb and 吃 is the main verb. Another example, 我会打乒乓球 literally, I can play ping pong ball. 会 is the auxiliary verb and 打 is the main verb. The auxiliary verb 会 is here to express an ability or skill someone has learned. The sentence structure is easy. Subject plus 会 plus verb plus object. For example, 我会打网球 literally, I can play netball. I can play tennis as I know how to play tennis. More examples. 我会打篮球 I can play basketball. 我会跳舞I can dance. 我会游泳 I can swim. 我会说中文 I can speak Chinese. Be very careful with this kind of expression. Can you pass me the salt, please? Here, can is not a learned skill, so you cannot translate this can as a 会. To negate a 会 sentence, simply put 不 in front of 会. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus 不 plus 会 plus verb plus object. For example, 我不会打网球 Literally, I not can play netball. I can't play tennis, as I don't know how to play tennis. 我不会打篮球 I can't play basketball, as I don't know how to play basketball. 我不会跳舞 I can't dance. I don't know how to dance. 我不会游泳 I can't swim, as I don't know how to swim. 我不会说中文 I can't speak Chinese. I don't know how to speak Chinese. To respond to someone's question, can you do something as do you know how to do something? Simply use 会 or 不会 to reply. For example, 你会打网球吗? Can you play tennis? Do you know how to play tennis? 会 Yes, I can. Or you can say 不会 No, I can't. 你会游泳吗? Can you swim? Do you know how to swim? 不会 No, I can't. Now let's review. 一起 together. 打乒乓球 play ping pong. 我们一起打乒乓球吧 Let's play ping pong together, okay? 会 can as know how to. 你们会打乒乓球吗 Can you play ping pong? 不会 No, I can't. 我会打篮球 I can play basketball. 我不会打网球 I can't play tennis. 我会游泳 I can swim. 我不会跳舞 I can't dance. 我会说中文 I can speak Chinese. 教 to teach. 我教你 I will teach you. Now it's time for a culture tip.
Do you know that ping pong, also known as table tennis, is China's national sport? As a popular sport, ping pong is accessible to many Chinese people in schools, community centers, and sports centers. China's national sports team has won many gold medals in the Olympics in the past few decades. Do you know how to play ping pong? 你会打乒乓球吗？That's it for today's lesson. I hope you're enjoying it. Bye!